Okay, we're going to continue on with the Marshall High School Spring Dance, and we're going to talk about the critical path and the earliest finish time this time. So I'm starting on page 438, on 438. Then we're going to go ahead and talk about number one. So it gives you the task times. So as you can see, we had created a prerequisite table and a digraph prior to this. And then we're now asked to find the critical path and the earliest finish time. And in order to do that, okay, so the tasks are listed here with the time, and I'm just going to go ahead and get that information onto our digraph. So, and we notice the start and finish is the easy part because it doesn't take any time to start, and finishes 0, 0. So I would start with that. And then it says L, or choosing a location, takes 2 days. So I'm going to put that 2 there. And choosing a theme takes 3 days. Booking a band or a DJ, takes 7 days. That's a long time, but it takes 7 days. And then arranging for decoration takes 5 days. So I'm going to put a 5 there. And then design a poster also takes 5 days. And then displaying the poster takes 2 days. So again, I got that number on page 439 according to our planning a dance. These are the tasks, task time, and the prerequisite. So when we're doing this, it's interesting to observe that the early finish time EFT is going to actually be the time that takes the longest. So let's go ahead and map out some of the path. So as you can see from here, most students would choose to go from here to start and choosing a location, because that only takes 2 days. And so this is one possible path. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw with all the arrows. Oops, I forgot an arrow here. So you can see that if I start, you can go to the L, B, D, P, F. That would be 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0 ends up being, that's 9, 14, 15, 16. So 16 days. And then, if we choose this path, you guys see the arrows? That would give me S, L, S, T, B, D, P, F. Which ends up being 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0, which ends up being 10 plus, that would be 17 days. Now, the last of the batches that we can possibly take, or the path, is in the blue, which you can see. So start, and then theme, then arranging for decoration, displaying, design the poster, and displaying the poster. So that'd be 0 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0, which ends up being 15 days. The interesting thing is the earliest finish time is not 16, and not 15 like most students would assume, because that's the shortest. And again, that early, the word early is deceiving because students will go for that 15, but the correct answer is 17 days. Because you have to finish all the tasks before you can get done. So that's the prerequisite. So that ends up being your correct answer. So EFT actually ends up, again, taking the longest time to finish. And again, it's very deceiving because E stands for earliest finish time. Okay, good luck.